Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices. Charge your XM4 above half in power on the Ps5. Once done, decide Bluetooth dongle or wired mode. The console doesn't accept a 2DP directly. Make sure any USB Bluetooth adapter is plugged into the Ps5 front port and the adapter is in pairing mode. Now, press and hold the XM4 power button for about 7 seconds until the blue indicator flashes. That puts headphones into pairing. Next, move quickly to the Ps5 settings menu to add a new device so they can find each other. On the Ps5, go to Settings then Accessories and choose Bluetooth Accessories. The system will scan. Once it displays the adapter or WH1000XM4, select it to pair and accept any on-screen prompts or codes. After pairing, go to Sound Settings and set Output Device to the connected headphones. Make sure Output to Headphones is set to all audio for game sound and chat. Finally, tweak master volume and microphone level. If you're using the XM4 mic, test chat audio. This ensures clear game audio and voice communication. Finish by launching a game and doing a quick audio/chat check to confirm both sound and microphone are working. Use the Sony Headphones Connect app to fine-tune ANC and EQ for low latency and clarity. Make sure game mode is enabled if available. If you don't hear audio, switch to a wired USB-C connection into the Ps5 controller or replug and repair the Bluetooth adapter. As a last resort, reset the XM4 by holding power and the noise cancel button for 7 seconds. Then pair again to clear pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.